Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a delicious chicken rolls. This is a very easy and a delicious recipe that you can try for this Ramadan. Before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. Let's get started. First, let's start preparing the dough. For that we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and yeast, 1 cup of warm milk, salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of yeast and sugar. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And add milk. Here I have taken 1 cup of warm milk. Do not add a cup of warm milk in one go. Add it slowly and gradually. Now mix all the ingredients well. Start kneading the dough with your hands. Make sure the dough is soft. Now I'm done kneading the dough. Now the dough is soft. Cover it and leave it until it becomes double in size. Meanwhile, let's start preparing the stuffing. For that I have taken a pot on a medium flame. Now add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Add the finely chopped onions. Here I have taken 2 large onions. Saute it until it changes its color slightly. Once the color of onions gets changed, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, I am adding around 250 grams of minced chicken. Give it a quick mix and let the chicken get cooked for about 5 minutes. Once the chicken gets halfly cooked, then add around half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some salt. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now the chicken is completely cooked. Now add a cup of pink cabbage and half a cup of grated carrot. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. Now mix the vegetable along with the other ingredients. Do not overcook the vegetables, make sure it's crunchy. Now I'm adding 2 cubes of butter. Once the butter starts melting, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then I'm adding half cup of milk to it. Now mix all these ingredients well along with the other vegetables. Then again add another half cup of milk to get a creamy texture and give it a quick mix. And wait until the milk is completely absorbed. Now the stuffing is completely done and the milk is completely absorbed. Give it a quick mix. Now you can see this is how our stuffing should look. Now after 3 hours, our dough is almost ready. It has become double in size. Now knead the dough once again. Now divide the dough and make it into a round shape. The dividing dough should be of medium size. It should neither be too big nor too small. With 3 cups of all-purpose flour, I have got around 10 medium-sized doughs. And make sure the dough should be very soft. Now let's start rolling out the dough. For that, add half a teaspoon of oil to the dough and start rolling it out. The rolled out sheet should neither be too thick nor too thin. Now add 2 tablespoons of stuffing in the middle and add some mozzarella cheese on the top. And then fold both the sides and then roll it out. And this is how the chicken rolls should look. Repeat the same process with the other doughs as well. Now take a baking tray and grease it with some oil. Now add all the chicken rolls into it. Make sure to give some space between each rolls. Now take an egg and beat the egg well. Apply the beaten eggs on the rolls. This will give a nice color and a shiny look to it after baking. Now I am garnishing it with some sesame seeds, black cumin seeds and thyme leaves. This step is completely optional. If you don't have these ingredients, you can skip it. Now cover it and leave the rolls for about 15 minutes so that it doubles in size. Now after 15 minutes you can see it has become double in size. Now bake it in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now after 30 minutes you can see our delicious chicken rolls are ready to be served. Hope you all like this recipe. Try this delicious recipe at your home and do let me know your valuable feedbacks. If you don't prefer having fried items during this Ramadan, do try this recipe. Surely you and your family members would love it. And this is how the chicken rolls looks from inside. It is creamy and the cheese is melted. It looks so yummy. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you all for watching.